I'm Shay Russell from mining.com.au, and joining me today is Mark Cooksey, the Managing Director for ABx Group. Mark, it's great to see you again. How are you?
Yeah, great, Shay. Likewise, great to be with you again just before Christmas.
Certainly is. Now, ABx Group operates across several commodities. Rare earths and your ALCORE plant spring to mind as two of your main focuses at the moment. Let's focus on some of the key wins for your rare earths project. Tell me, what have been some highlights for 2024 for you?
Yeah, so for the rare earths, it's definitely an exciting time. So we grew the resource during the year. We developed our own in-house capability of studying the metallurgy, which is a great complement to the external labs we access, like with field like ANSTO. And then really it's commercially where we're gaining traction. So I'm more and more confident that we've got a really attractive project. We're getting that interest from strategic partners in the value chain. As example, with our MOU that we signed with ALCORE, Canadian-based company that could be a customer for our project. The aim of that MOU is to get to a binding offtake and also potential investment by ALCORE into ABx.
Your ALCORE project has picked up a lot of traction this year as well. Tell me, what stands out as a key win here?
Yeah, I think the big one is just the technical achievement. So one of the key metrics in this is to get as much fluorine as you can out of the bath. That's the valuable element. The start of the year, we were probably more like at 70%. We're now up at 97%, which is commercially attractive. And another key feature during the year has been engaging again with strategic partners. That's a big philosophy of our company, and made really good progress on that. Again, the people in the value chain can see the potential in the technology, and we're just trying to secure that commitment to really allow us to take off in 2025.
Well, speaking of 2025, as I mentioned at the start of today's conversations, you have several commodities within your stable. Tell me, what's ahead for each of these?
Yeah, it's worth touching on those commodity markets firstly. So rare earths, the prices have been down a little in the last year or so, but they look like they're bottoming out, and the long-term trajectory is still really, really strong. The renewable energy sector is growing, and we need rare earths for the magnets, for the motors. And then fluorine, again, there's more strategic interest in fluorine growth in its demand for batteries and a real lack of fluorine supply. And finally, bauxite, which we still are active in. I mean, as people would know, the bauxite market's completely taken off. The bauxite price is higher than the iron ore price, and we're getting incredible interest in our bauxite resource in Queensland. And so in 2025, we're going to continue to advance all our projects on rare earths. I expect things like a scoping study and engagement with strategic partners, with ALCORE on the fluorine recycling, again, engagement with strategic partners and progress on our continuous pilot plant. And on bauxite, we plan to be mining bauxite, hopefully in Q2 this year, in 2025 in Tasmania. That's a small project, but also advance the construction of the Binjaw mine in Queensland, which now is looking like a really prospective bauxite supplier because there's not much bauxite available in the world.
Mark, it's been an incredible year of work for ABx, and no doubt 2025 is going to be even more successful for you. Thank you so much for being here today, and I cannot wait to see what comes next.
Yeah, thanks, Shay. Yeah, can't wait for 2025.